What's up, guys? H Games here with the Mama's H Games with my friend Leo Skull Terror there.
Yeah.
Scooting his way along a skateboard.
Yeah. Ow.
Look at his face. That's right, Autumn. That's your cousin. He's a samurai. Do that again. Do that again. No, you just spit on the camera. Hold your hair back. He is a samurai. Okay, Amy.
I think you just said she.
Well, she's a samurai. She's a samurai. Oh no! No! Oh no, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm a flamingo. Flamingo. Oh yeah. Break dancing on a skateboard. Oh yeah.
Featuring Doge.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do it right. Whoa. Oh yeah. Okay, baby. Why did I just say that? Oh, jeez.
What the?
What was that?
I don't know.
Click something?
No.
Let me see. Amy. That was really weird. Okay. I fell towards the camera and as soon as I did, beep. Weird dog constantly walking past. And both of my moments with H Games outside, it's been like that. First it was my dog, and it was that random dog. Here we go. It's going down. Oh! Slow-mo. Oh! That was crazy. It's a kickflip. I'll try anyways.
Applause.
Yeah! I failed! Yay! I'm so happy. That over-rotated. Over-rotated. Like it almost rotated twice. It did a flip while rotating. What in the world? I cannot land this. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh geez, glasses fixing skills. Okay, here we go. What the heck? I keep on over-rotating it. Okay. Okay, ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Nah. Hey, what's the time?
7.
Okay. 7 minutes already?
No, I thought you meant time is in 7 p.m. or something like that.
No.
It's 3:38 now.
What the heck? I can't do it. It's making me so mad. By the way, guys, tomorrow I will be posting some Happy Wheels. Hey, speaking of which, Leo, will you be out tomorrow? Will you be able to come out tomorrow?
Maybe.
Oh, jeez. Oh. What was that? Jeez. I had gone mental in 5 seconds. I can't even stand on this thing. 2 rotations. 2. It flipped way out, but 2 rotations. Look at that.
Whoa.
You never take it out on your skateboard. I'm sorry, skateboard. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Let me save you. I'm saving you.
People of YouTube, make this so perverted.
Okay, Mr. Perverted Mind, I will save you. There you go. You are saved. Now you're dead again. That was disgusting. Why did I just do that? Okay. Now, think of a fail for me to do. Think of a fail for me to do. Think of one and say one, Leo.
Here's a fail. Fail.
Here we go. Ready for this? Parkour! H-game style. More like PewDiePie style, but who cares?
Besides, we rip him off too much anyway.
Look at this skill. Oh yeah. Bugs in my face. What? Bugs in my face. Why do I keep on doing that? Now parkour, for real these. Where's a good parkouring spot? Let's do this for real now. Actually jump this ditch. For real. Now let's try it in the flat grass first and then I'll try doing it jumping the ditch. I learned this move the other day. It's a roll like this, like you dive and you roll. What do you think?
Pretty cool.
And then there's the regular roll, which is like okay, let me think of something else now. Like this thing, look at my skill. I am the master. Oh yeah. I can't do a flip or anything, so the best I could do would be all around. That. Oh, you ready for this? This is how to get away. Assassin's Creed style. Running through the bushes. Try to follow me. This is officially an Assassin's Creed video. I am Fiend. So if you want to, please like, comment, subscribe. See, I'm gonna kill him now.
Ugh. Now, if only I knew how to stop this.
You didn't stop it. Okay, well, that didn't work. So if you guys want to, please like, comment, subscribe. It's this button. Bye.